Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download ArcGIS 10.8. Firstly, visit the S3 customer portal or your organization's software hub and download the ArcGIS desktop setup file for your version. After downloading, extract the files if prompt. You can automatically start the installation right after the extraction or manually launch the installer by going to the folder and running the setup file. Now read the software license agreement carefully and click I accept the license agreement to proceed. And if you do not agree, exit the installation. Now you'll be prompted to select between complete installation or custom one. The default folder is in the C Program Files folder. If prompted to install Python, select installation location to accept the default. An ArcGIS desktop typically installs Python 2.7 for versions up to 10.8.2. After the setup is complete, the ArcGIS Administrator wizard will launch. Choose your license type like single use or concurrent use and enter the required authorization code so you can start using ArcGIS on your desktop. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.